Hello and welcome back to another video from Eat Skinny Live. Today I'm going to be showing you a mushroom egg wrap that can be filled with all of your favourite fillings, really versatile and another fantastic lunch idea. So let's get cooking. And that is it, a mushroom egg wrap. Now you can change the fillings to whatever you'd like, really versatile and really tasty every time. If you did enjoy this video, consider hitting the like button, and also if you want to keep up to date with new recipe videos, consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.